Good evening and welcome to Goa 365. I'm Cheryl D'Souza. Our headlines at the hour: Goa's movement against SEZs threatened to resort to agitation. Eminent personalities immortalized by installing their statue. Are they maintained? Swami Brahmeshanand laid the foundation stone for the renovation of Linga Bhat Devasthan. IAM Food Festival held at Nuvei. Now for the news in detail. Reacting to media reports stating that there is no provision for denotifying SEZs, Goa's movement against SEZs convener Mathani Saldanha said that the pro-SEZ lobby should not spread false propaganda that there is no provision to denotify the SEZs.
We had this meeting, and in this meeting we have decided to tell those detractors and those who are misguiding the people and confusing the people with false propaganda that SEZs can be notified under General Clauses Act, Section 21, wherein it can be rescinded, modified, erased, evaded, and everything can be done. So the question of anyone planning and saying that they cannot denotify them does not arise.
Briefing media persons, Mr. Saldanha said that they were shocked with the government's statement that the food park at Kethall was not an SEZ.
We also want to say that we are a bit shocked and surprised that the government is saying that some SEZs were not SEZs, like in Kethall Auxiliary Park. Our question to the government is, if they were not SEZs, why they were in the list of approved SEZ by the Goa government. So if they were on the list of approved SEZ by the Goa government, they get cancelled. And there is no question of anything coming.
He also demanded that all land acquisition proceedings for SEZs should be immediately dropped and land allocated for SEZs be reverted to the GIDC.
We also demand very clearly with the government that the government should immediately stop all land acquisition proceedings against any areas which were for SEZ and take back the land which is mostly GIDC. If it was given to some private individuals, it has to be taken.
Mr. Saldanha threatened to resort to an agitation if their demands were not met.
So these are the few things that we want to tell the government, and they should immediately finish this issue once for all and bring peace to the state. Otherwise, we will be forced to come out again, which we don't want to do, because we believe that the government has good intention of eliminating the SEZs totally in all forms. That means there's no chance of coming in some other form, which we will oppose.
We have lots more coming up after the break. Stay with us.